So India is looking towards a free trade agreement. We are looking at trade, we are looking at economy, we are looking at commerce. While they are looking at free terrorist arrangement. So while we host G20, they host the T20. The top 20 terrorists of the world will be found being hosted by Pakistani state government. A speech where their now Field Marshal, then their Army Chief, explained very categorically that there is a huge difference between Hindus and Muslims. And that is exactly, you saw a manifestation of it when the terror attacks happened. What he forgot is that over 200 million Muslims in India stood unitedly behind its government and said, "Inko muh tod jawab do." And let me also say something, because we've just concluded a free trade agreement, FTA, with UK. We signed with Australia some time ago. We are going to be doing that with European Union. We are going to be doing that with the USA sometime soon. So India is looking towards a free trade agreement. We are looking at trade, we are looking at economy, we are looking at commerce. While they are looking at free terrorist arrangement across the world. That is what we need to expose. There's another thought that comes to my mind. We had a very successful presidency as G20 chairmanship that we had got. We had a very successful 1 year of presidency. So while we host G20, they host the T20. The top 20 terrorists of the world will be found being hosted by Pakistani state government. It's their stated policy. Right from Osama bin Laden, I don't know how many of you have seen the documentary. You all must go back home and see the documentary on how he was taken out of Pakistan and he was being hidden, actively financed, aided, trained, supported, hidden from their so-called ally in the US. So they shake hands with you, but they bite you behind your back. We don't come to request, we don't come to ask other nations to help us, because like our party leader, delegation leader has said, India is capable to fight back. But we've come to warn that we have been seeing decades of this terrorism. It's coming to your doorstep soon. Through radicalization, through fundamentalism, through the indoctrination that is coming, which will create problems in your states, in your countries too. So be prepared. Stand up against terrorism. Show zero tolerance to terrorism. Call out the nation. Hold them accountable. And last but not the least, I will leave it with this, that while India has become the 4th largest economy, we still have Pakistan heading towards IMF and World Bank looking for loans to sustain not its economy, not its civilians, not its economic growth, but to keep its terror camps ongoing, because that has become their economic model of exporting terrorism globally.